The robotics teams from Spencerport and Churchville High School set to compete for a world championship.
And they are looking for support from the community. Sam Carter is live with some of the team this morning. Hey there, Sam.
Good morning, guys. This is one of the coolest days I've had in a long time. Now, right now, what we're going to do is we're going to feature some of the stuff that both robots can do, both teams can do. But what I want you to meet somebody. I want you to meet this young woman who has helped lobby New York State for more funds, for more kind of robotics teams everywhere, right? Talk to me about what you did and the experience.
Yeah, so I am my team's advocacy coordinator. So I coordinate all of our advocacy meetings and our trainings. Most recently, we have met with Mike Benedetto, who is the chair of the Education Committee for New York State. We're lobbying for Bill A1219, which allocates a total of $250,000 towards first teams in $5,000 chunks.
And those are for schools across the state, right?
Yes, all across the state, any team can access
And
them.
really quickly, talk to me about some of the stuff you've learned from that, because you don't want to be a lobbyist or anything like that. You actually want to do engineering just like your classmates, but you've been given this role. Talk to me about what you've learned from that.
What I've learned the most is how to find my voice. When I was younger, I was very shy, and through my advocacy journey, I have discovered a lot about who I am and how I should speak to people and interact with people to be true to myself.
Just one of the incredibly impressive kids here. We have about a dozen here. We're going to meet a bunch of them in just a second, but I want to show you something real quick that Penfield and every school has to do. It's called The Climb, and I want to show you this. I got my guy Isaac here doing this with me. Isaac, show me real quickly what the Climb is. Tell me about it.
All right, so actually I'm going to disable quick. So what you see here, I'm actually not the leader of Hang, but we have a 2-arm setup here. Well, actually it's 4 arms, 2 sets of arms.
Okay.
And actually, I'm going to hand you off to Nicole, who is actually our Hang leader.
Nicole, let's hang.
Yes.
Let's hang a little. Can we get this rocking here? Is that cool? Can we get this rocking? And tell me what we're looking at. 'Cause I want to get to some other stuff too.
Perfect. So we have 2 sets of arms. There's one set that extends upwards and tilts back. So you'll see it extends up to the first bar.
Oh, cool.
Pulls down.
And this is all part of the competition, right? This competition isn't just shooting baskets and scoring. This is all part of the scoring, right?
Yeah, so this is a totally separate aspect of the game, which is called our end game. So you get a lot more points for climbing to higher bars. So that's why we have, and so does 30-15, we both have traversal climbs. So that's when you climb up to that highest monkey bar right there.
Oh, so cool.
So yeah, that's...
And then you guys set this up. What were some of the big roadblocks to doing that?
Just pull down. So a big roadblock that we have is, you can see this is basically a massive geometry problem of figuring out how you get your arms back there and retract at the same time. So getting that power sort of situated out, and you can see.
It's not perfect.
It's not perfect. It's something that you always have to go through this revision.
Well, we're going to give you guys another shot at it in just a second, but I want to introduce you guys to certain members of the other team that we've been with all day today. Spencerport, go Rangers, you know. They chose a different name. We met you already, but what's your name? Tell me about your role on the project.
So I'm Clarice. I'm a chairman's presenter, so I run the marketing sub-team.
Oh, so cool.
Yes.
So cool. And name, and talk to me about what your main role on this is.
I'm Kate. This is my 4th year on the
Senior?
team. I'm a senior, and I built the bumpers this year for our robot.
Oh, so cool. Give me that solid name, and let me know about how many hours you generally put into this, a week or total.
So my name's Nick, and this year, it's my 2nd year, but this year alone, I've put in 143 hours.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Great head of hair, not that much time on your hands. Tell me your name and talk to me about what you did for the project.
My name's Taryn Leindecker. I helped
Taryn, T-A-R-Y-N?
T-A-R-Y-N.
That's my girlfriend's name. Good name. Anyway, continue.
I helped out a little bit with electrical and some other stuff.
So, name what you do.
My name is Brendan, and I film the matches for playback and analysis.
Dope. Awesome. Name what you did.
I'm Tessa. I work on a lot of our upper mechanical stuff. This year, I really built our shooters and our feeder house.
Oh, dope. Oh, that's awesome. Name what you did.
I'm Sierra. I'm mostly on electrical, but I also do some marketing stuff.
Name what you do.
My name's Lizzie, and I'm the lead electrical person, so I'm in charge of all the wiring and stuff.
Now, these guys are all impressive, but 2 guys who are going to help us out with our final demonstration of the day, the autonomous driving demonstration. Name and take me through it.
All right, I'm Joe. I'm the lead programmer, so I wrote a lot of the code that's on the robot.
Dope.
So.
Name, what you do for it?
My name is Garrett. I am also in programming. I wrote the dashboard that the drive team uses during matches.
So, Reg, quickly show me what this autonomous driving is, because we see a little thing. Show me what it's going to do.
All right, so at for the first 15 seconds of every match, the robot moves autonomously.
There's nobody driving it.
There's nobody driving it. Oh, it has to do everything by itself.
Oh, my God. Guys, these teenagers are super impressive. Thank you very much to Spencerport, and thank you very much to Penfield for being with us. Church Shiloh is also going to, Church Shiloh, right? Is also going to be with you guys at finals. These kids are super great. I want to know how they do in Worlds. I think they're going to do incredible. Israel, apparently, you got to watch out for at Worlds. Yeah, they're really good. These kids are awesome. They are super impressive. If teenagers are our future, we're in good hands. They won, guys. They won. Who needs football when we have robotics? Real Friday night rivals right here. Tuesday morning rivals, more like.
Put the robots out there on the gridiron and just see what they do.
There you go. Congrats to them on going to those
Dan
championships.
Schrack wants them playing baseball. This is great.
Good luck to them.
Thank you, Sam.